Dear learners, in this video, we are going to see how to provide the certificate for the Google quiz. In the previous video, we have seen how to create the quiz by using the Google form. Now, to provide the certificate, you have to add an add-on from the Google Play Store. So, to add the add-on, just click on this option and go to the add-ons option. In the add-ons option, you have to search for the application named as Certify Me. So click on this application and get it installed into your G Suite. I have already been installed it, so it will not show the installation steps. Once you install this, an icon will be added onto your toolbar. For this quiz, I am going to provide the certificate. Now click on this icon and click on Certify EM. Once you click on this Certify EM, then you will be redirected to the certificates option. So to see what it happens, just click on this add-on icon, click on Certify EM, and you will be redirected or you will see this types of option. So click on Show Certificate Controls. This manager will be open of the Certify EM application. In this tool, you have to click on Confirm box. Once you click on Confirm, there will be some settings you have to do to provide the certificate. Now let's see what are the settings. The very first option is status. So you have to turn it on. By turning it on, it means that you are going to provide the certificate after passing the quiz. If it remains off, then it will not provide the certificate even after passing the quiz. The second option is passing grade. Here you can define the grade as per your need. So I am setting here 40%. Means what? Out of 100, the student should get at least 40% to gain the certificate. Then you have to create or you have to choose the template of the certificate. Now, one important thing here you have to do is you have to create the certificate template in advance. For creating the certificate template, you can use the Google site shows. For example, the Google Slides I have created here. This is the sample certificate that I have created here. And this certificate I am going to fetch into my Google Form options. So this is the prerequisite for the providing the certificates. Now, so I am going to select the template. Just go to the template and select the use of the custom template. Then you will be redirected to selection option. From here, you can select a new file. It will be redirected to the presentation that you have done. So I am going to select this sample certificate and click on select option. Once you click on select option, save the changes. Now what will happen? This certificate template will be selected as a certificate. You can set advanced option settings by clicking on this advanced button. For example, you can set the thank you message for the student after giving the certificate, and you can select whether you want to send the certificate in PDF format or image format. So I am selecting here PDF format. So save the changes. Now this setting has been completed now. Okay, now how to create the certificate format in Google Slideshow. So creating this certificate format, you have to follow certain rules given by Certify EM. So how to find the rules? Just you can search in the Google rules for certificate of certify me. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the website of Certify EM site. So you can see here Certify EM. You can click on this website and check the rules for creating the certificates. So there are some instructions that are given here that you have to follow for creating the certificate. So these are the some of the rules that you have to follow for creating the certificate in the Google Slides. So in this way, you can provide the certificate to the students by using the Google form. Now we can just check it off by giving the test. For example, I will click on this preview option and I will attempt the quiz. I will enter my email ID. For example, or okay, my email address it is asking for once again. Then the name of the student, then year and division, that is SY A division, and my roll number, for example. Click on next. Now I will solve the quiz. For example, what is the full form of object oriented programming? OOP. Okay, then its option is true, its option is data abstraction, that is heading of data, and the quiz was excellent. I will submit the quiz. After submitting, I will get a message that thank you for your submission. If you pass, you will receive the printable certificate shortly. Now I just have to check my Gmail. Now I am going to sign in into my Gmail account, which I have given while solving the quiz. So once I sign in into Gmail account, if I get pass, that is above 40%, if I score in the quiz, then the certificate will be automatically sent to the Gmail address. So just we will log in into our Gmail address. Remember one thing, the Gmail address should be one that you want to receive the certificate. So I have entered my personal Gmail address here. Once you come inside the Gmail address, you will find the certificate if you score more than 40%. Okay, you can see here your certificate is here. The mail has been came. The meaning is that you can just click on this and you can download the certificate which is in PDF format. You can see this PDF format and you can just click on download. Your certificate will be get downloaded. Certificate will get downloaded. So in this way you can create the quiz by using Google Form and provide the certificates by using the Certify EM add-on. Thank you.